Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash that like button. If you find any kind of value, make sure to subscribe too, because on this channel we do a lot of videos like this every single day or on a daily basis, and make sure to turn on that bell notification so you don't miss any. And let's just keep it a simple, short tab again front as possible. As always, so as you can see right here, we have 1 inch with the Tether token. Basically is sitting 1 inch, is sitting a price of around $2.68. Today we are down 5 cents, or approximately 2.16% to the downside. As you can see, this is how the chart is moving, and basically somewhere in like at the 2nd of June, I made a prediction that we could have sold if like hitting that level, just get the order block out of the way, but it did not happen at all. We were just missed that for a while. Like the high of this candle was at approximately 411, and here we have a 444, so basically around 30 cents. But yeah, like, you get the point. Basically right now we're still pushing into the buy zone that we have right there, and this is will be everything that touches right here will be a buy zone for me. So make sure to go get your capital if you want to invest into 1 inch, because we're at low points, and I don't think that we're gonna be surpassing that 155 level. We may, nobody knows what will be happening, but this is the more like realistic thing that can occur. Basically guys, this is it. If you want to earn some free stuff, go into the links in the description down below, and if you want to support the channel, just smash the like button. It will help me out a lot, and I will be seeing you guys soon. Have a great day for the rest of your day, and yeah, peace out. This is the prediction though, so you get what's the point of making this video, right?